Hi, so it's Kara. Welcome to my channel. On this page, we do hair, we go on vacation, and we buy clothes at affordable prices. We definitely do splurge. I splurge a little bit. Y'all, why did I go to Tiffany & Co. and get a ring? That's besides the point. The point is, regardless, we like affordability. Thank you. So I am going to be restyling and bringing this wig back to life. This is a Curlyme wig, and I did some face framing. Now I am new to cutting, I'm new to trimming, all that good stuff. However, I did face trim like this hair, but it needs to be done better. And I'm starting out, I'm learning. Let's get into it. Now, first things first, I don't know about you, but me, I love me a glueless wig. However, she's going to be glued. So let me put my wig on really quick. Okay. I need to make sure these clips are in. I don't know about you all, but I clips it in. Nothing's falling from my head. Everything will be secured. I don't care about anything else. And if you're really that girl, you'll sew it in. Anyway. All right, it's on my head. It's to my liking, I think. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, you have to pull her back. Up. Pull her back, clip her down. Pull her sister back and clip her down as well. I should have some music playing. Tragic. All right. This is to my liking, as you can see. No, we're good. So anyway, this is what I use to melt the lace, glue it down, and you should too. Grab you some Got2b glue or whatever glue you prefer, and go ahead and spray this top, this part. Child, lay this down, okay? Glue this down. Don't ask me no questions. All right. When the glue is on it, go ahead and take this and just melt that in. Okay. Now that that's sitting, we're gonna take these out and get started. I was so parched, I missed my lip. Ridiculous. Let's get into the cutting, because we're doing this together, y'all. Truly. Okay. I love being a girl. I love being one of the girls. Okay. So do y'all kind of see how it already sort of goes can y'all see that? It already goes diagonally. Exactly, as a beginner. Don't play with me. Don't do that. And I'm still a beginner, so don't play with me. Don't do that. All right. Where should we cut, y'all? Where should we cut? Where should we cut? Should we go Babiana? All right. How do I? I'm about to ask y'all how I do this. Yeah, I'm trying to teach y'all. Y'all, it's teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. You're okay. We're gonna F it. We will. Oh, my hair. I feel like that wasn't. Oh, maybe that was a little drastic. That was good. Not enough. Do we like it this short? We like it at that length? I think so. And y'all probably like, why you didn't blow out the hair? Why you didn't flat iron it? This is a Curlyme wig, and I can buy another one. Remember? Affordability. We can afford to experiment on these wigs. We have to use our noggin. Okay. Continue. Okay. Also, the goal is to not wear this hair straight. Right now. I feel like I want it even more cut. You know what I mean? All right. Let's turn this on real quick. While that heat up, we're gonna still cut. This don't scare me. You see my hands shaking? Cut. Y'all, when y'all cut, just make sure the thing is in the diagonal. I don't know what more to say. Do y'all trust the process? Having faith in someone you don't know will cost you. Okay, now. Okay. So, this is... So this is one side. Oh yeah. This is one side. And then this is the other. I don't know what's going on over here. I like this. I like this. So that's gonna be it for this side. We can pin this up. And as I wear this wig out, why did I pin that up? Anyway, next side, y'all. Next side. My hair. You want to go like to where you last cut prior and then like start cutting from there. Do I do that? Man, I do what I want. Keep combing, y'all, and keep cutting. Y'all see, I don't even know how to cut. So if I could do it, y'all could do it. Well, technically, I don't know if I'm doing it. So I think now I'm good. Let's check. Let's just do a little checky check. Yeah. Uh-huh. All right. Now we just like roll it out a bit. Roll it out. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway. Sorry, I'm like looking in the mirror. It's a lot. Now I'm going to put this up. There we go. And I'm just gonna that's how I like my hair. I like to just pass this around a few times and call it a day. Piece. Roll it to the bottom, bring it back up, roll it down, up, roll it down. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish doing this and then I will come back on when most of my hair is complete. This is how it's looking thus far. Get into it. Can y'all see it? I hope y'all can. Anyway. So now that I'm at the top, I figured I'd come back and we could really, you know, do what it do. Comb it out, start from the top, go to the bottom, and just keep coming back up. Twist, twist, twist. All right. Comb out and then we twist. I'm watching this show, Lincoln Lawyer, right now, and I quite literally love it. It took me a minute to really get into it. I feel like it's a bit of a slow start, but it's like a slow build up. I really like it. I enjoy it. If you like lawyer shows, cop shows, investigation shows, you will like that. Okay. This is coming out so cute. Even though I don't be knowing what I'm doing for real, for real. Get you one of these brushes. It fixes everything. I promise you. I got this from I believe it was TJ Maxx. Twist, twist, twist. Okay. Brush this part, just the top part, diagonally to the other side. And then you jush it out a bit. You see that? You see that? You just, ouch. Hold on, okay. A little diagonal. Diagonal. Right? Press it in there. Jush it to the other side or whatever. Okay. And then just that out. Okay. This is how I like my hair. Okay. This is how I like my hair. Perfecto. Put a little bit of makeup here. I think this is bronzer. I have some bronzer. I also have some eye mascara. I don't use these two, so it's fine. So I'm just gonna put some of this bronzer. Is this bronzer? This is bronzer. I'm gonna put some bronzer. Right up in there. I'm gonna take this off. Ooh. Okay, so a lot of the glue is stuck on the hair, so we're just gonna comb that out. Actually, I got a little. Okay, ain't nothing crazy, just a little comb out. Okay. Now, I am going to take a little bit more of that and put it here. Make sure you put it there as well. Blend that in a bit, you know. And then use the mascara and just put it, oh, I can't even see. Put it here to kind of redefine that parting line, but don't make it too crazy. Hold it, actually. Hold your hair and then do a little swipe swipe. Alrighty. You do have to fix the hair a bit because, you know. Okay. So, this is the finished look. Y'all like it? Let me put some lip gloss off for you. Some lip gloss? No, some butter gloss. Got some butter gloss for you, Bookie. This is a cute, affordable hairstyle. You just have to cut a little bit, get you a little brush, and get to it. What y'all think? Lady girls.